Welcome back. It's time now to work on the design of this menu. So as you can see, this menu is being displayed on the left side, and we need to work on the design because it doesn't look good at all. So I'm gonna head on over to style.css, and the first thing that I'm gonna do here in the style is that I'm gonna add the most important designs of the complete templates. So for example, I'm gonna say here um, asterisk, which is going to allow me to apply some designs to the complete template. So first of all, I want the margin to be 0 unless I specify otherwise. And then I'm going to also say padding 0 and box sizing. The box sizing is going to be border box. And then the font family, I'm going to get a font family shortly. Next, I'm going to say body. So for the body, first of all, we want the body to have a width of 100%. And then the background color, I'm going to say background. The background would be this color. It's important to choose a color that you want. I'm going to use this color, which is a color that's very close to the white color. It's almost white. And then I'm going to say position. The position is going to be relative. And the display is going to be flex. Display flex. So this is for the body. Next, we want to work on the menu. But before we work on the menu, we need to get a font that would be displayed on the complete template. You can use any of the built-in fonts. So for example, you can here say font family and then select any font from the built-in families, or you can get a font that's external. So I'm going to get a font from Google. I'm going to head on over to fonts.google.com. Here in Google, in fonts.google.com, you can find so many fonts that you can choose from. And they are awesome. There are very beautiful and brilliant fonts that you can use. So for example, I like this one. I'm going to use this one on the right side, this one. Let me show you where it is. It was here. This one, it's called Amiri or Amiri, something like this. Anyways, I'm going to select this, and once you select this color, this font, you can select the other attributes that you want that comes with the other attributes that come with this font, such as the boldness, the thickness, whether it's italic or not. So you can select any of these. I'm going to be selecting the first one, which is just regular, and it's 400. Or you can select the italic. The italic, by the way, looks amazing. You can select the italic. Let's stick to this one. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to click on select this style. And then once you are done, click on import, and then what you need to do is that you need to copy this import code inside the style. Copy it, and then in your project, you need to paste it at the top. Just paste it at the top. And then here in the font family, all you need to do is that you need, in single quotes, you need to say, you need to type the name of the font. So the font here, the name of the font is this one that comes after family. Family is equal to the name of the font. So the name of the font is Amiri. I'm going to say here Amiri, and then comma, and then sans serif. That's it. Pretty simple. Now let me head on over to the project. So now in the project, if I refresh, the font, as you can see, is going to be different. This is the font. So this is how it's going to look like, and now it looks amazing. The next thing that we need to work on is the menu itself. So I'm going to head on over back to the template, to the project, and here I'm going to work on the design of the menu. First, I'm going to add here a comment, and then I'm going to say side menu. And in the side menu, first, we need to use the ID that we specified here. Remember, earlier I specified an ID to the section called menu. So since it's an ID, we need to use hashtag and then menu. And then I'm going to say background, and the background color is a very dark blue color. This color 111827. Again, this is up to you. It's almost black. It's very dark blue that it looks like a black color. Then I'm gonna say width. So the width is gonna be only 300 px because I want the template. I want the menu to take only this area on the left side. I don't want to stretch it over the complete width of the page. So therefore I'm here saying width 300. Next I'm gonna say height. The height also is gonna be only 100. Is gonna be 100%, meaning that it's gonna stretch out to take the complete height of the page. So this is for the menu. Next, let's work on the logo. But let me first refresh. Let me here refresh. And let me show you that this is how it's going to look like. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like. But of course, there are a lot of things that we need to work on to make this look amazing. So first, I'm going to work on the logo, which is going to be displayed here alongside this word. And to do this, I'm going to say here, menu.logo image. Why? Because remember, the image is inside, this image is inside the logo, which is inside the menu. And the logo is a class. Since the logo is a class, we need to say dot logo and then image. And then for the image, I'm going to give it a width of only 40 px. And the margin, I'm going to give it a margin right. The margin right would be 50 px. Let's save and refresh. And of course, it's not gonna be displayed here because I don't have an image yet. But let me show you how this is gonna look like after I add the image. Next, we want to work on the logo itself, the logo which includes the text. And to do this, I'm gonna say here logo. I'm gonna say here menu, logo, and for the logo, I'm gonna give it first a display flex and align items to the center, and color is gonna be white because color is gonna be white. Why? Because as you have seen, it's not clear. This is black and the background is black, so it's not clear. We need to change the color to white. Also the padding. So the padding is gonna be 30 px top, 0 right, and then 0 bottom, and 30 left, 30 px left. Now let me refresh. As you can see, it's gonna look now better. Now it's being displayed here, and the image will be displayed here, and there is some padding from the top and from the left. This is for the logo.